we're heading to Disney. We stopped by Supper and we're at the construction zone bar and restaurant. Let's go in.
I'll just get one item, Mom. Just in case.
This is construction zone.
Get one.
Yes. I know how to get blue. Just look on. And then whatever other colors.
All right. It's a hard decision, I know.
Construction workers.
Thank you.
And there are vests here, and on the other side too, they can try them on, put them on. The hats they can take on, the vests have to stay.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the hot dog.
The hot dog is all right. What's it called? Bordy's hot dog.
Yep.
Where y'all getting French fries?
Brodies.
Yeah, we're sharing a couple French fries.
Oh, and this is like a
I think Greg's gonna get the wings, and I'm gonna start with the spinach and artichoke dip.
This is like a construction worker's lunch break. They have lunch breaks. Shovels.
They're what?
The shovels. The shovels.
Little shovels.
Scoop dirt with. Oh, it's kind of tipped.
It was great. The best ice cream ever was literally in construction zone.
Yeah, they gave you a little like shuffle spoons, and that's cute. Like you're digging the dirt. It's one of the best things restaurants I've ever ate at.
Yeah, best themed.
It's actually like a construction place.
And we were in there all by ourselves.
Yeah.
I know.
Had the restaurant to ourselves.
Yeah.
We own the restaurant now.
No one was there but us.
Break. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
There's another.
Okay, guys, we're at Cake Bake Shop restaurant, and we're trying to get our tables and get seated. We're running a bit late because we had to ride a billion Skyliners, and we ran our way here except for
We're waiting on
the guy over there.
We're waiting on our reservation.
I guess they're hiding under all that grass.
Anyone want this?
I love this.
I love this.
Like a luxury.
It's like
They put us in the. We got to sit in the carousel.
yeah.
We could have gone in there.
But it is so pretty. The luckiest death. It's gonna be another. When we're finished, it's gonna be probably another.
Comfy pillows and all. Emma, you like your comfy pillow?
Yeah. Look, guys. We're lucky.
Yeah.
Really lucked out.
Hello.
Best table in the house.
Yes.
Why did they pick this for us?
I don't know.
How is it? Crispy. Fried. How was your donut bite that you got? Good.
It's good oranges and apples.
I got sparkling waffles and with side of bacon.
I got sparkling eggs, bacon, and
All
potatoes.
sparkling.
Oh, and my drink, I got apple juice. I also got sparkling eggs, bacon, and potatoes.
And I got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Brioche Bites.
I have that you don't like.
I got the platter.
Yeah, we're gonna throw away my pitcher. Okay, pass the salt and the pepper, please. Pass the salt and the pepper. Okay, guys, we just got filled up. Now we're gonna start going outside and doing some rides and going out to Epcot. So we're gonna go in a minute once Easton gets out of the bathroom. We're on our way to Epcot.
Cake bake was delicious as always and beautiful.
Yeah.
And now we're on our way to Epcot. My phone is going dead. 'Cause I left my fuel rod in the car.
Yeah.
But we'll see what we can get done at Epcot. And then last night we stayed at Pop Century and we're moving over to Animal Kingdom Lodge. So we will update when we get there. Epcot's got some of their Christmas decorations up. We got a big tree. It'll all be up by the end of next week. Hi. Yes. All right, y'all want to jump in?